Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about this Nissan. This is 350Z. To get to your first fuse box location, you'll be right under the steering wheel. You're right in here. You just open this right here, press, that comes off. There's your fuses right there. The location is gonna be right in here. To close it, you have to line it up, and then that's how you close it. To get to your OBD, if you plug in your computer, or for DQ, it's located right in here under the steering wheel. To get to your second one, it's gonna be under the hood. You pop the hood. There's gonna be two more in there, so it's gonna be second and third. So to get to the second one, third one, you have to open the hood. Let it rest on this. And to get to your second one, you might have a cover here. I don't. You might have to remove some clips or just open it. I don't, mine's missing. So, and that's your second one. There it is. Locations are right here. Close it, you just make sure it clicks. And to get to your third one, it's gonna be right in here. You have to remove this. I don't have my clips, but you might have to remove the clips, a few clips, and this comes off. Then you have to remove some clips here and just pull it this way, pop it, just don't break it, carefully. Once this comes off, there's your third one right in here. Pull it up, there's your fuses, and their location is right in here. To close it, you just line this up. So this will be it for this one. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.